Anatomy and Physiology. Question and answers. 1. What is the purpose of the sodium/potassium pump? Answer is D. To produce a concentration gradient for sodium ions. 2. Which of the following is not a type of cell? Answer is A. Ribosome. 3. What is the name of the mechanism that ensures that there is a higher concentration of sodium ions in the extracellular 𝐹LUID than in the intracellular 𝐹LUID? Answer is B. The sodium-potassium pump. 4. What is the name given to the type of transport where glucose or an amino acid binds to a receptor protein on the plasma membrane, which then moves the molecule into the cell without the expenditure of energy? Answer is A. Facilitated diffusion. 5. What is the name given to the movement of glucose or amino acids from the gut into the cells lining the gut when they bind to a transport protein that is also bound to sodium ion? The sodium ion is entering the cell along its concentration gradient. Answer is D. Secondary active transport. 6. Mitochondria produce which of the following? Answer is A. ADP. 7. Why does the plasma membrane of a cell present a barrier to the movement of electrolytes through it? Answer is B. Electrolytes are not soluble in the lipid of the membrane. 8. Which of the following statements about leak channels in the plasma membrane is correct? Answer is B. They are passageways formed by proteins to allow water and ions to move passively through the membrane. 9. What are the primary types of body tissue? Answer is C. Nervous tissue, epithelial tissue, muscle tissue, connective tissue. 10. Epithelial and connective tissue differ from each other in which of the following characteristics? Answer is C. Cells in epithelial tissue are closely packed, whereas in connective tissue they are not. 11. Which of the following is a component of the plasma membrane of a cell? Answer is D. cholesterol. 12. What term is used to describe the movement of dissolved particles along or down their concentration gradient? Answer is D. diffusion. 13. Which of the following molecules cannot pass through the plasma membrane? Answer is C. Amino acid-based hormones. 14. Which of the following is a connective tissue? Answer is D. Blood. 15. Which of the following is an epithelial tissue? Answer is A. Adipose tissue, B. The adrenal gland. 16. What is the major component of the plasma membrane of a cell? Answer is A. Phospholipid. 17. Which one of the following is not a function of membrane proteins? Answer is A. They form a structure called a glycocalyx. 18. Facilitated diffusion through a membrane involves which of the following scenarios? 19. The diffusion of water through a membrane is referred to as. Answer is C. Osmosis. 20. What is the tissue that covers the body surface and lines internal tubes called? Answer is A. Epithelial tissue. 21. Which of the following is true for connective tissue? Answer is D. It is made of cells, protein fibrous, and ground substance. 22. The cell membrane's resting potential, about -70 MV inside with respect to the outside, is due mainly to which of the following mechanisms? Answer is A. The sodium-potassium pump. Thanks for watching. Now subscribe. MCQs Hub.